Hello, today I'm going to teach you another thing, how you can install SQLMAP on your phone. SQLMAP, you can use it to hack any website of your choice, provided you know the actual prompt you are going to put in there. Any website, you can hack it, both database and anything. So let's start. You first locate Thermos. We use Thermos in Android phone. So this is my Thermos. First and foremost, you install JIT. By installing JIT, you just type pkg install JIT. Then after JIT, then you have to clone SQLMAP. This is it. You say JIT clone, then SQLMAP dot no JIT clone https github.com, then slash SQLMAP project SQLMAP project slash SQLMAP. So this is it. You fire it. It's going to clone SQLMAP from JIT file. You see, I started loading. It's downloading now. It will clone the full SQLMAP machine into your phone, of which you can now hack any internet, anything on internet. You can hack it. With SQLMAP, it's an automated machine that you can use to do anything. This machine was created to test vulnerability, to test leakage within any given application or website, so that engineers can know how to patch it. So with this machine too, you can create havoc, you can arrest, you can kidnap internet protocols. With this machine, you can make millions of dollars if you know what you are doing. But I'm not encouraging you to go into the dark ones. You understand? It's better to be a white hat hacker or gray hat hacker, so that when company notice you, they employ you fully and you become a full staff, and you will be able to receive or earn big salaries. So that's my encouragement. We are doing this for educational purpose, because many people don't know what is there. You understand? Honestly, people are producing something for the betterment of the citizens, but yet those things are being upturned to create havoc. You got it? So this is it. We are still loading. It's 85%. We are going to 100%. After 100%, everything is done. Then we are going to proceed. In my channel, I'm going to teach you everything about hacking, different kinds of hacking, anything about hacking. So you stay tuned, subscribe, you understand, follow me, and the notification, because I will be posting my videos every day, every time. So I will teach you how to use all these things one by one. I will teach you how you can hack any database, how you can bypass any security, how you can bypass any security in a given website, how you can reach to the database files, how you can dump it, and how you can view it, how you can hack Wi-Fi network. I will teach you everything. I will teach you how you can as well hack any CCTV camera, how you can send ransomware to any website, how you can attack with cross-site scripting, or how you can attack with DDoS. What have you not? How you can do phishing on cryptocurrency, phishing on normal website like Facebook, how you can hack Instagram and many others. I will teach you all this. So gradually we are updating. I want you to follow me properly so that my video will get to your hand. If you have a website, with this video you can know where your leaking point is. You can know how to pen test your website, to know how to patch its security in terms of security. You got. So I'm not posting this video just for bad. I'm posting it because some people don't know how to use SQLMAP, Metasploit, and many other pen testing machine. Some people thought that it can only be used on computer, but they don't know. We still use this on phone. Whatever that can be done on computer, likewise there are still emulations that we can use this on within our phone. So we are still updating. My network is poor. That is why this thing is done. I want this thing to be faster because of the size of the video. My network is dull, very dull, very dull, but yet advancing. Very dull. I need something faster. Some people thought that you can only do this with big phones, but yet I'm using a small phone. I mean phone with 3G network. Can't you see everything on my phone? Can you see everything? Yeah, I'm doing it with just little phone. So you don't have to discourage yourself. We are advancing just a little. I don't think this 2% that is remaining. Are you sure I can still wait for this? Are you sure I can be able to wait for this? Yeah, it remain 1%. 1%. It remain 1% to finish. Just 1%. So this 1% will go on now. Still waiting for this 1%. Yes, done. So I have installed SQLMAP on my phone. Can you see it? Everything is loading up. This is it. So we have come to the end of this video. Stay tuned because I'm going to teach you how you can use it in my next video.